Pictory AI tutorial and review. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to give you a tutorial and a review upon the very famous and very in talk these days. This is a platform Pictory.ai. So as you all know that artificial intelligence is so common and it is basically gaining the market these days, and this is a platform related to that. So Pictory AI basically makes the video creation very easy. It creates the whole video for you, for your YouTube, for your Instagram, anything where you want to post a video. If you have a script, you just give the script to Pictory.ai and it is going to generate the whole video for you in just a couple of seconds. It is basically going to get different kind of clips from different locations upon the whole internet, and then it is going to combine all of them and going to generate a video for you. So it is very easy to use. That's what I'm going to show you, how you can use that and why is it important to use that if you're a video creator, if you are just a person who is trying to sell something, a brand, or if you want to spread awareness about a specific subject. This is the Pictory AI is going to generate a very good video for you. So you can see that your complete video marketing toolkit, you are going to have it here. You can turn scripts into jaw-dropping sales videos. You can create short branded video snippets from long form videos. You can add captions automatically. It is going to transform blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot, and these are some couple features that are amazing of Pictory.ai. So how you can get started, it is very easy. Just click on this option which says free trial and you're going to get a free trial of Pictory.ai. Otherwise it is a paid platform, so you have to see the pricing section, which I'm going to show you later at the end of this video. So you have to watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you the whole process of how you can use that, and is it even worth it to spend money on Pictory.ai. That this is what we're going to look at. So just hang on and I'm going to wait until it loads and then we can sign in. Okay, so after signing is just actually very easy. What you need to do, you need to have an email, you need to add in your password, and then you can basically sign in to Pictory.ai. So after you sign in, here you can see that this is their main page. In here what you have a couple of these options. You can proceed with the script to video, start typing or copy paste your script. You can have an article to video, you can edit videos using text, and you can visuals to video. So these are four things that you can do with Pictory.ai. You can have a script and you can make a video out of it. You can have an article and make a video. You can edit videos using text. You can add captions. You can basically input videos from various sources, and you can have different you can have visuals and you can make a video out of them. So I'm just going to proceed with the script to video part right here, and I'm going to generate a video out of the script that I have asked ChatGPT to generate for me. So this is a script that I have generated, which is basically asking to this is basically raising awareness of using sunblocks in summers and why it is important to use a sunblock when it is summer season. At the time of making this video, summer is like upon us, so that's why I chose this topic. So here you can see that first of all I have introduction, then I have the body. So I'm just going to copy this whole content from right here and I'm going to paste it into Pictory.ai as my script, and I'm going to generate the video for specifically this video script. Okay, so here you can see that. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an essential summer care, why using sunblock is important in summers, as you all know. And I'm just going to delete this part right here. So first of all, okay, I'm going to add it right here which says body. So you can make some couple of edits in your whole script to make it a little bit more scripty. Here you can see that body protects from harmful rays. So you can see that these are some parts that we're going to covering it. These are some headings: protects from harmful UV rays, it prevents premature aging, it reduces risks of sunburn, and also it improves overall skin health. And then you have your conclusion. So I'm just going to make it a little bit more flowy so that it basically has a more good impact when it is created, when a video is created out of it. So you have to basically add in more spacing. That way the AI will understand which are the aspects that you need to keep away from each other and what are the things that need to be covered as one. So you need to add spacings according to that. And then you have your conclusion. You can delete the heading of the conclusion because we don't want that in conclusion using sunblock, etc. Okay, so this looks good to me. You can highlight some specific part if you want to, like if there is something you want to highlight, you can add that. For example, if I want to highlight this specific region, I'm going to click on highlight and you can see that it just highlighted the whole thing. I'm going to highlight all of these headings that I have, and this will help the AI to get a better and more specific visual according to these things. So I'm just going to highlight all of these headings. Okay, so my headings had been highlighted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on proceed, and it is going to generate a video for me using this script that I've just added. Okay, so I forgot to add the name of my title, the video title right there, so you can add that as well. So here you can see that now what you need to do is you need to select some video scripts from the types of the script that you want to be generated, the type of the video that you want to be generated for yourself from these templates. Right here you have your corporate red ink, you have your sunrise, then you have your graceful right here, and you can see that you can select it as well, and you have your caption standard and you have your standard. So I'm just going to click this and add. Okay, so I'm just gonna click the standard one right here, and I'm gonna add that. So you can choose an aspect ratio. If you want to have a YouTube video, you can have your 16:9. If you are generating a mobile video, you can choose this, and then this is a square 1:1. So I'm just going to choose a 16:9. I'm gonna continue. Okay guys, so here you can see that my video has been generated, and I can see the whole script right here. It has basically differentiated, it is distributed the whole script into scenes. I have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. So if you want to change your visual for a specific scene, you can just go on to that and you can change that. So here is the scene that today we are going to talk about: an essential summer skincare topic, why using sunblock is important in summers. So this is the visual that they have added. Then you can see that the scene 3 is basically telling why it is important and what is summer season, and it is just around the corner. With the increase in temperature, we tend to spend more time outdoors. So I'm just going to continue on to the scene 3, and I'm going to show you what is the visual for that. Let's preview. Okay, so here you can see that this is the visual that they've added. This is not very attractive, so it is very much possible that I will change that later, but let me just show you all of these visuals. So this is whether it's a day at the beach or a walk in the park, sunblock should be an essential. So here you can see that this is the whole script. So when you go on to, let's say, scene 9, it is prevents premature aging. So I'm just going to scene 9. Let's see what it has added to that. Prevents premature aging. So the thing that about the video generated by Pictory.ai, that it must all the scenes are not as amazing as they should be, and as not appropriate as they should be. So you can change couple of them when you are going on to when you are generating the whole video. So you can see that it has added this as a prevents premature aging, and depending upon, let's go back to the scene that we were on, like scene 3, which was not something that was very attractive. So scene 3, I want to change that. So I'm just going on to the visuals, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for summers right here. So you can see that this clip is more appropriate than these falling balls that it has added. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to drag it here, and I'm going to add this, and I'm going to replace this visual by this. So here you can see that now it has been added. So I'm just going to preview it. You can add different kind of scenes into it as well. You can add a blank scene, you can add a text only scene, visuals only, a text and visual. So you can link these scenes into this video as well. Then you can also trim the video. You can add a voiceover. So to add the voiceover, there are two kind of options. You can upload a voiceover or record a voiceover by this option as well. So I'm just going to when you are creating a video by AI, you can also generate the voiceover using Murph voice or Murph.ai, and it is going to generate the whole voiceover of the script that you have provided. So you can upload the voiceover directly into this video, and it will be generated as the whole video, like you have added different clips and shots and b-rolls, and the script is going to be here. So you can change the orientation of the script as well. If you want it to be in the in the corner and on the upper hand, you can basically go on and add that. Then you have an option to add a couple of elements into your videos. Elements are going to be those things that basically make the whole video a little bit more alive. If you think it is not if there is something needed, like to make it more interactive, you can add these kind of elements. You can add different gifs and emojis into this, and you also have an option to add the audio. This is a new option of the Pictory.ai. In this, you can generate you can basically have a voiceover generated. You can you have your uploads. You can add a background music. You can see that red dust blues, this is available. You can apply that, and glacial precipice. You can go on and have any of these 15,000 plus tracks available. You can apply any of that into your video. You can basically search for music tracks as well, and you can search them according to mood, purpose, genre, or duration. Then you have an option to add your text. You can add different kind of text onto your video as well. Then you have your styles. Your styles are gonna be what kind of video that you have: an intro style, default scenes style, you have your default outro style, you have my style libraries, etc. Then you have your branding. So this is how you generate the whole video using Pictory.ai. It is a very great platform that you can use, and it is going to help you generate your videos in just a couple of minutes or seconds, and you don't have to do all of this work when if you're a digital creator, if you are a person who just if you have a YouTube channel, if you are a social media influencer, if you have your Instagram, if you want to keep it updated, then Pictory.ai is the best platform for you. So these are the plans for Pictory.ai. You have a standard plan for $19 per month. It will have 30 videos per month, up to 10 minutes text to video, 10 hours of video transcription. You can check out the details depending upon your need. Then you have a premium plan for $39 per month, and then you have an enterprise plan depending upon the size of your enterprise. You can get a custom pricing for that. So depending upon your need, Pictory.ai is a very great platform, and $19 per month if you are generating videos and you're getting a lot of money out of them, then spending $19 is not too much on creating them. So you can just go on and have your plan activated, and you can continue with Pictory.ai. So this was it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.